SSH. I just need to take it slow on it. Otherwise, it's like SSH. SSH. Hi, I'm Frederik, product owner at Secomea, a secure remote access solution meant to help OT professionals defend the factory floor. The main purpose of my work is to continuously discover and focus us on how we can better help our customers and users leverage our product in ways that are valuable to them. Our Clientless in-browser REP feature enables our users to remotely access a device, like an engineering station in front of a factory floor machine, directly from the browser window on their own computer. So that means there's no need to install a plugin or any other local application to establish this remote access to a PC or IPC. And the feature supports all kinds of remote access protocols, such as RDP, but also VNC and SSH, and even Telnet. So it's a great alternative to connecting via external applications, for example via client-based VNC or SSH. And this will make it much easier for Secomea users to establish remote access.